Hi, in this video, we are going to learn how to check quote screens on the StockNote web. Open the StockNote web and log in with your client ID, password and year of birth. Click on any of the stocks located under your watchlist or search the desired stock from the search bar located on the top right corner. Tap on the quote button. Here, you can see the complete details related to that particular stock such as stock rating, chart, buy or sell option, start SIP, etc. And that's how you can check the quote screen on the StockNote web. If you have any queries, then contact us on 022-2222-7777 or raise a ticket on www.samco.in/support/ticket. Don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe for more videos. Thank you.